see you just like Stevie. You know, see them watch you in a 4K and a 3D. You know it good, you know. Can I watch you like cinema?
Yes, so blessing my people, blessing to one, blessings to all. As I check in, give you guys follow-up update, also share one video clipping about an ex-convict, you know, telling his story about prison life. Well, my people, me I gotta just kickstart and think now, keep up no more time. Well, look at your screen right now. This is a man only identified as Bird, right, my people, and this is a taxi driver that got shot and killed in a double murder last night on North Street in downtown Kingston. Right, my people, yes, and the next dead is identified as a 39-year-old security guard known as Carl Jones, right? Yes, that work at the Wellington Street in the Kingston 14 area. Well, my people, also a female got shot and injured in the gun attack, but so far 2 male shot dead, female injured. Well, at your screen you're looking at now, this is Birdie. Yes, the man that some of the articles said that is unidentified. Well, this man lived at Riverview up in St. Andrew or Downtown roadside. Right, my people? Yes, next door to Tavern Avenue also. So peeps, don't know what's the motive and thing, but Jassy B hurt her on red. So peeps, what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna keep up no more time talking or debating. I'm gonna just let you guys watch a look at one video clipping I soon forward up top.
It's a part 10. I tell you about some time at prison. When I'm normal, I tell you. It's when time I do some bomb now, 3 hours there in one little cell. See, you sell it big like your bathroom. Just take a good look for your bathroom and just wonder how 3 men can sleep in there, so having things them pack up in there. 1 man there on the left, 1 on the right. We up by corner here, so 1 man there up there. So Zane, we do some bomb now. After we're there at prison now and run a pot and cook some nice curry chicken and there, you know. And there and eat and rice and peas and I go and easy. And 1 man go forward from jail and you know a beer jail food he used to. And a beer jail food, so when he get some good food for it, you know, give him some curry chicken and we there eat. And he's a man take my time and eat my food, you know. So me look a bit right now, I put it down. Go burn a 1 spliff and thing, you know. And then ready again, I go munch again. So you know say, 1 man will forward there so. Say you want to ride. No toilet now I sell it. So you know we have to go do right now. You have to go get in piss girl or anything we have in jug. When you say piss girl, I want a jug with them piss in it. That you call piss girl. You see it? You look at igloo them and igloo them. Yeah, that I did my piss girl. You see it? So what you have to go do now? You have to go put up curtain. You have to go scream off. You put on my sheet over here so next man has to scream off. I will light up something in it and while a man over there so I ride. So just imagine say a man use the toilet in a local place there. Just looking at your bathroom and put like 3 man in there. See? And a man over there so go ride. And so when time man over there so ride now, he scream off and put it tie up in a bag, make sure you tie up it good. So you see if I done this and your head turn, because sometimes your head can turn up and your foot turn down and you can hang up with it on your foot, you know. But majority of the time, you have to hang up that on your head. Over your head, you have to put that when you're done ride. Zine, so what go on now? Like, I wanted chicken, we did a cook and thing, you know. Because $1,000 if you wanted chicken, you know. You can get a normal chicken for $700, but so the chicken wanted $1,000. So just imagine now, Zine, all our food we cook, we have to dash away. We can't eat none of that chicken there again. Once a man ride, we don't want that again. Ride should be smoking till the morning and thing. You see me? I just saw this around. So me I tell you, say, this is a nice place. And you see all the morning, when I get up now, I first want to come on the section to go and count, check your muster. Here a man I say, yo, a man in a call the water and take the water. I look for go use and dash for that. You have to go beg your water and look for use. Because I tire it and go dump that. You see it? I mean I tell you say them places are nice youth. Imagine say you're there in your yard right now. You do anything where you want to do. You go use the toilet, do everything where you want to do. You did say you're not free. You see me, you have to piss in a jug, a piss in a background every single morning. You have to carry that, go that sweat. And you have to wash off your girl, or your piss girl, you know. You have to wash it off, you know, wash off with soap, you know. See? And do some bomb and rinse off, you put it in the sun, make it go on. Quail out. Some man put it in the sun, some man wash off, you and put it back in the set. You know? Yeah. But me I tell you, say, yo, them the life, they not nice. You see me? I tell you. So you know, say no, bam. When you're there in them place, say no, when time you go empty your piss girl in the morning. Yeah, it's one bungle man and a man I say, yo, me I come with my girl, you know. Yo, no man, you know. See if you ever make that brush for a man. See if you ever make your piss girl touch a man. I'm sorry for you. Be a stop, go take you. Yeah, so you man them serious when you come to them something they can man say you grounds them out with a girl. You see me? Your piss girl, you have to stay. If a man there yasso, you have to the wheel over yasso and walk. You go empty it. So as him done, you walk down and empty your piss girl. You see me? That's how you think, sir.
Yes, so welcome back, my people. So there you have it. 3 persons shot, 2 male dead. Yes, including a security guard. Yes, Jassy B. So taxi driver, security guard, and female injured in downtown gun attack. Jassy B. Serious. Well, my people, right now, yes, this man been to jailhouse and I share his stories, but really and truly it's like he might do it like a series, like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 go up. So him say I must say part 10 this in reach. But my people, blessings, you know, as usual, just try keep safe as possible. Earth around red. Just be just sad more while to look at even the news, but really and truly, if there is no crime, there is no news. Yes, right? Because really and truly, me know where me know so I understand what I'm talking when I'm saying that. Because if you go turn on your TV every night and just be, you know, the news just don't sound right. Yeah. So just be my people. You know the whole measurement now. Keep up no more time. Like and share the videos. Up top and we out.
And them for no side, Ahmeds, representing for Just Blex. Just Blex tell them say prayer works. When the heathens are trying for you, once you die you hurt, the most I alert. If I'm them alone. Yeah man, Just Blex, you don't know your success getting them upset, you know what I mean?